In this video, you'll learn how to change the region of your Google account on your computer or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. So it's actually very easy to change the region of your Google account. All you have to do is navigate to google.com inside your browser, which means that you can do this on your phone. Then go to the right, click on your profile, and then press on Manage Your Google Account. Now from here, once you're on the page, you want to go to the left and press on Personal Info, and then scroll down until you see Addresses. So in order to change your region, just go ahead and press on Home, and then you can either choose it on the map, or you can type it in on the top for the address. So let's just say I want to do Nigeria. I'll just press on that and then press on Save. Then you change the region of your Google account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.